Hello, this is Robin Bajent, your instructor for Retail and Merchandising Management for Spring 2019. This is a quick course overview so that you have a bit of an idea for what to expect. When you first log into Canvas, and obviously you've gotten this far because you're able to watch this video, you see that this center area is the first primary area that you see. This will change weekly, and it'll be highlights of whatever we're going to be studying for that week. It'll also contain any announcements that I need to make and let you know about. Off to the right, you can see the list of tasks that you'll have to do, but I encourage you not to just go by that. You really need to click on modules, and then you need to go in and see what is in the module area. You are responsible for completing all items in the module area, so you'll want to check. In this first area is general course information. This stays available to you for the entire term. Second is getting started, so it's some general information, and then you have your week 1 assignments. So let's walk through these items really quickly. First is the Canvas how-to guide. So if you are new to Canvas, you can see how to complete different tasks. Instructor information is next. That is me. Ta-da! If you have any questions, you can email me if you need any assistance. A little bit about me. After that is the syllabus. I'm not going to read it to you, but just know that I have office hours. But if I'm in my office, you're welcome to stop by or call, and I'll answer and visit. I also have online office hour every Wednesday evening, 7:30 to 8:30. Just click on that link, and it'll add you to the site. Let's see, course description. You can see what the outcomes are for the program, for the college, what you're going to do for the course. This is the textbook that you're going to be using. You can order it from the bookstore, but you might be better off getting it from the publisher. Here is the publisher's site. A little cheaper, but it really depends on you and what your needs are. I do encourage you to look at multiple options when purchasing books so that you can save money. Let's see, assignments. These are the types of assignments you're going to be using. I do points randomly, so anyway. Let's see, responsibilities, library, academic, equal opportunity, on and on and on. Then you have your course schedule so that you can see at a glance what we have going on at any given week. You'll notice in week 11, I do not assign work for spring break. Enjoy your break. Don't even worry about our classes. And then you'll have your final exam is a mystery shopper worksheet and analysis report. And that is a specific format that I'll have for you to complete. And that's what you can expect for the entire term. Going back to modules, after syllabus is APA formatting, and that's because everything we do in this class is APA format. These are the general expectations, but you are responsible for biggest error I find is in-page citations. People don't bother with any of them. And you need to have them included. So Purdue Online Writing Lab, whatever works best for you as far as finding the information you need. We will have discussions periodically, and you need to have your first posting in a discussion in place by Wednesday night of the week assigned. And you have to have, I put in a minimum word count, usually it's about 1 paragraph, but I put that minimum in so that people don't just write a few words and let it go and expect to get an A. It's not going to happen. You have to have at least 2 additional postings as the rest of the week progresses, and they have to be substantial as well. And you have to have references included for both. You have to take part at least 2 separate days. That way it shows that you are interacting multiple times. And pay attention to spelling and grammar. These items are the general information, so just like hate speech will not be tolerated. Within each discussion, there's a rubric that will give you more specific expectations. Just because you post these minimums does not guarantee an A. These would guarantee you a C because that's average. The quality, depth, breadth, that's what's going to take it beyond. A little bit of information about being an online student. And then if you don't already have Microsoft Office Suite installed, you'll want to go ahead and get that installed. And the instructions are here so that you can follow through. And it is free for students, and you can put it on like 16 different computers, so anything that you use. So that ends our general course information. Getting started, you'll start off by incorporating your personal introduction. Share retailers' information, discuss. That's why it's called a discussion. Ta-da! Yeah, way too many ta-das. Your first post needs to be by Wednesday night because I use that in order to, especially this week or this time, because I have to use that to submit for your attendance. So I don't want to drop you. Neither do you. You don't want that to happen either. If you're new to the BME program, you can click here and take a look at the BME Canvas site and see a little bit more about the program. If you've already done it, then just type in completed previously or something like that. If you're not in the program and you're just taking this class for general information, you can just type not in program and that'll take you, submit that as well. Finally, set Canvas preferences if you're new to Canvas, or if you haven't checked in a while, you'll want to make sure that your preferences are set up the way you want. How often are you getting announcements? Where are the announcements being sent to? What email do we have for you, etc., etc. And then chapter 1 of your textbook, you're going to be doing your first quiz. So you'll read the chapter and you can complete the test up to 3 times. It's worth 20 points. Only your highest score will be counted. So that's it for getting started. We'll have more fun interactive stuff as we go along. In fact, let's take a quick look. We'll leave student view and go back to regular view. So we've got a lifetime value, we've got video case studies, you're going to be interviewing a retail manager, looking into the future of shopping, so lots of cool stuff. You'll be learning a lot. If you have any questions or need assistance, please let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks.